जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे। जय जगन्नाथ। Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tavas. In the Skanda Purana, it has been mentioned that no other festival of Mahaprabhu is more important than that of the Shri Gundicha Jatra. So today let's know more about this auspicious festival, that is Ratha Jatra. The Nabajobana ritual brings an end to the annual quarantine of the deities who are now believed to be cured from all illness and are back to their usual health and beauty. The deities are now prepared for a grand Ratha Jatra. The Ratha Jatra or the car festival of Lord Jagannath at Puri is the most spectacular festival which attracts countless pilgrims from all over the world. Lord Jagannath, literally meaning the Lord of the universe, comes out of his sanctum sanctorum to give darshan to his devotees belonging to various sects and communities. Vivid description of this festival are found in the Brahma Purana, Skanda Purana, Padma Purana and Kapila Samhita. According to the Hindu calendar, this colorful festival is observed on the second day of the bright fortnight of the Asadha month. The wooden images of Lord Jagannath, his elder brother Lord Balabhadra and his younger sister Devi Subhadra and Lord Sudarshan are taken out in a grand procession on 3 separate chariots along the Bodadanda from Sri Mandira to Gundicha Mandira. The spectacular procession by which the deities are brought onto the chariots is known as Pahandi. When Lord Jagannath and Lord Balabhadra are carried in Pahandi, Devi Subhadra and Lord Sudarshan are just carried by the Daitapatis. After that, the Gajapati Maharaj of Puri comes in a decorated palinki from Sri Naura or the king's palace. He climbs the chariots for ceremonial sweeping of the floors with a golden broom and sprinkles sandalwood water and powder. This symbolic ritual, known as Chera Pahara, shows that all are equal before the Lord. Then comes the most exciting part of Ratha Jatra, that is pulling of chariots by thousands of people irrespective of their caste, color, creed or religion. First moves the chariot of Lord Balabhadra, then Devi Subhadra's and finally Lord Jagannath's chariot. Usually they reach the Gundicha temple the same evening. The deities enter the Gundicha temple on the next day in the same Pahandi style and stay there for 7 days. It is believed that if a person participates with full devotion in Ratha Jatra, then he or she would get free from the cycle of birth and death. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, this year the Ratha Jatra will be conducted in the Bodadanda at Puri and nowhere else in the state in the same manner as was done last year. Pulling of the chariots will be done by the Sevayats, police personnel or any other officials as permitted by the Puri Jagannath Temple administration. Thanks for watching. Hope you got to know more about Ratha Jatra. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also give me your suggestions in the comment section.